What's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today from Cayucas, California. I think that's how you say that. Everybody's been correcting me all week. They're like, this is how you say that. So I think I finally said it right. Anyways, I was sitting here and I was checking out this house. Oh man, let me flip the camera around. Amazing, it's beautiful. Look at the landscape on it. Look at the architecture on it. It's beautiful. Look at this archway. Oh, it's so fun. This house is so much fun. Look at the inside of it. Look at those beautiful flowers draping down off that tree. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just the time put into it, the manicureness, it's just beautiful, right? Like, look how gorgeous that is. I don't care who you are, that's beautiful, right? You can be like, oh, flowers, Dan. Flowers are ugly. No, they're not. Nobody says flowers are ugly. Nobody says that, dude. And then here, this is the other side of it. You guys see this bird's paradise. This is like my favorite flower ever. Check out that bird of paradise right there. Oh, orange birds of paradise. Oh, man. Hard to beat a good old orange birds of paradise, in my opinion. Like my favorite flower in the world so far is an orange bird of paradise. Anyways, I digress. That's because I like orange. Okay, I was sitting there and I was thinking about the house. And as I walked by and I was like, man, the house is very well mannered. It's very well manicured. It looks beautiful. When you walk by it, you can tell they take care of it. You can tell that like they care about it. They care about their system. They care about what's around them. They take time to tend to the flowers. They take time to tend to the house. Like, it's well upkept. Inside, it could be falling apart. I don't know. I've never been inside that house, right? But from the outside, I sit there and I think, man, these guys really care, right? Because they look like they're well put together. The house looks like it's well put together. The truth is, like, your truck is the same way, okay? Your truck could be a complete disaster on the inside, okay? And when you roll through an inspection, if it looks manicured on the outside, if it looks clean when they look inside of it, if it looks like you're taking care of it, you got the tanks polished and the wheels polished, there's a really good chance you're going to take care of the inside of that truck as well. And you're going to take care of also, you know, all your paperwork and your logs. You're not going to have a nice, shiny truck like that and not care about it, right? You're going to have something absolutely amazing on the inside of it because you're actually going to care. DOT paperwork the same way, right? You're going to sit there and you're going to be like, oh, it looks so good. It's all taken care of. It's all dressed up. It's presented well. And when they come in for an audit and they notice the way it's there, they're going to be like, oh, man, this is good. And as long as you're put together a little bit, right, it'll be good for you. Just like that house. Like, I could go inside that house and it could be a shamble. It could be a mess inside that house. I doubt it is, but it could be a mess inside that house. And the truth is, like, because it put together so well on the outside, I know it's not going to be a shamble on the inside, right? Your DOT paperwork's the same way. When you get into an audit, if it's put together and looks good when you get there, they know it's not going to be a shamble on the inside of it, okay? So what are you guys waiting for? Get your DOT together, clean your truck up, get your paperwork ready to go, get the floor clean, right? Manicure the lawn, shine the tanks and the wheels on the truck, get your DOT paperwork looking good, get docs, get Eclipse DOT to help you, all that stuff, right? Like, that's what you need. That's what you need in order to look put together, is somebody who's going to come in and help you. Like, you don't have to have it. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm not telling you got to have it to be put together, but I'm saying, like, doesn't it look better when you're like, boom, here it is? Compared to like, oh yeah, I think I could find that paper. It's over here in this file. Oh, I think I could find it. Maybe it's over here. Oh, I think I could do this. Maybe it's here, right? Like, huge difference. So I want to encourage y'all. Have somebody else look at your DOT paperwork before the cops come look at it and give you lots of fines. All right, guys. Hit up our website, eclipsedot.com. See you guys later. Bye.